Cruze delivers a turbocharged gas I4 1.4 liters engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, cruise control, engine, 1.4 liters turbo DOHC 4-cylinder DI with continuous variable valve timing, CVVT 153 horsepower, 114.08 kilowatts, at 5,600 revolutions per minute, 177 pounds-to-foot of torque, 239 Nm, at 2,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. This Chevrolet Cruze features the following options: wipers, front intermittent, variable, windshield, solar absorbing, windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 16, 40.6 centimeters, aluminum, wheel, spare, 16, 40.6 centimeters, steel, warning tones, driver and front passenger safety belts, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, USB charging port, trunk release, power, remote, tire, T115/70R16, blackwall, compact spare. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 to claim your Chevrolet Cruze.